Hi to all. My name is K. Rupesh. I am going to explain about the prestigious project of Alien Groups, which is the Aliens Group was first founded at 2004 and it was established at Talapur, Hyderabad. The Aliens Group was first mainly focused on three sectors: infrastructure, mining, and real estate. The Aliens Group was mainly focused on infrastructure on roadways, airways, and which was mainly developed in Andhra Pradesh of India. And this is a beautiful view of Alien Space Station. The Alien Space Station was consisted of S shape, which means the unity between every station, and the unity of our station is it consists of 14 stations and 14 stations and helipad, which gives a beautiful view, and which was covered by wall, which was covered by glass. And the space station was near to the outring, and this space station was gives a global view. And moving to living to the new world. The space station is a world in its own, and which has 21 century. It was about the centuries touch, and an entrance lobby with three high speed glass elevators, and more glamour to the apartment, bringing it more closer to the ambience of plush hotels. And moving to another slide, this is the overview. This is the overview of Aliens Group. The Aliens Group was providing with a beautiful urban township, which is focused on main on urban township, which attracts the customers to come to the organization, which helps to development of the organization. This space station is mostly focused on one apartment and one system option. And the Aliens Group was mainly awarded award and recognition. Moving to another slide, awards and recognition. The Aliens Group was focused on mainly the agreement. The Aliens Group was focused on three awards: City Space Award, and City Space Award was first held in Singapore. Held in Singapore, and it has won the third award, and the best residential development for future. The Alien Space Station has been highly commended for the top three projects in best residential development future categories in City Space Asia 2019 held in Singapore. This is maintained the standards and standards for the Aliens Group station, which gives a grip to the Aliens Group company. And the moving to second award, the Indian Green Building, the Alien Space Station, which is IGBC, which means the Greenhouse Indian Green Building Council, IGBC, the Alien Space Station, which is a platinum pre-certification by Indian Green Building Council. The Indian Green Building Council rate building based on 50 different parameters, 80% open area, and 4% was constructed, and 80% was open area, which is for MTs and house clubs and gardening, etc. This and awards and recognition. Moving on to third award, which is a highly commended award. The highly commended award is the most prestigious award, and the winner of the three prestigious international property awards. First one is highly commended apartment India, highly commended mixed use development India, and best mixed use architecture India. This is the most prestigious award, which was won in 2012 and 14 international property awards in London and UK. And awards and recognition, we have won a quality crown, winner of the international quality crown award, which was participated by 117 countries. Among 117 countries, we have won the gold quality crown award. And project overview. The project overview was very simple, and it was mainly focused on driving range, and putting green and lake and pistol shooting range, and cricket practice nets, and jogging, bicycle, natural lake view, commercial towers, malls and multiplex, clubhouse, infinity swimming pool and landscape area, terrace and spa, indoor swimming pool, helipad, and this shows the overview of Aliens Group company, which mainly specifies about 2 BHK and 2 plus 1 BHK and 3 BHK duplex. The green symbol which is represented as 2 BHK, and the light green color explains about 2 plus 1 BHK, and the sky blue color is mentioned about 3 BHK, and red color explains about the duplex. The duplex is one of the most attraction for the Aliens Group company, and which is the green colors which are mentioned for which are used for live, work, shop and play. And these are the apartment options. The total land coverage is 80% of open area, and 14 stations and 83 towers and 30 floors was covered in Aliens Group company, which is a good total number of apartments was 2,182 apartments was covered in Aliens Group, and which is one of the prestigious thing to discuss now. And this is the Aliens Space Station location map, which is near to Gachibowli, and which is near to Gachibowli Outer Ring Road and Shamshabad International Airport, and which is near to High Tech City, and which is near to International Airport, and which gives very good communication between each other, which are interlinked between one and another, and this is the inspiration often a function of location. It is a heart of New Hyderabad. In the inspiration, it is a heart of New Hyderabad, and major MNCs such as Wipro and Infosys, Microsoft and World Economical institutes such as ISB, SCU, IIT are mostly focused on mostly on making space stations in the most desirable places. Hyderabad, which is separated from polluted area to and our living area, where it provides a good environment in our space station. The space station brings us urban township, which gives most good view of our company, which mainly focus on this function of location mainly focus on restaurant, shopping centers, shopping malls and central business district, schools, food courts and universities, hospitals, etc., which are nearby our space station. And moving on to the next slide, the project location connectivity. The project location connectivity is nothing but which are the latest developments of our the Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Infosys, IBM, Accenture, Dell are nearby our space station project, and which gives 120 feet radial road was announced, and the work was started, which will connect Gachibowli and Outer Ring Road, which improves the connectivity and the project value, and which adds the value to the Aliens Group also. And moving to the next slide, recent radial and road development. It is a basic view. It is the basic print which gives the specification of recent radial road development, and which was mostly concentrated on infrastructure and infrastructure roadways. Already it was developed by Aliens Group, which was used by many sectors, and smart life and smart home. The smart life and smart home is nothing but which gives smartness in the environment, and which gives the smartness in using the technology, and the smartness is which gives the features like biometric security, home automation, Wi-Fi accessibility, and touchpad, electrical switches, etc. So benefit the present day living standards. The apartments which gives CCTV and connection, and individual preference automatically, and which gives lights, temperature, music to the present generation, which are living in metropolitan city, so which adds the value and to our space station. The space station is which gives the convenience based on the smart life and smart home, which makes us to comfort living, centralized LPG connection, and safety, ensuring the safety bathrooms and luxury house and luxury style is used in our space station, so that there will be more production to us and as well as the rooms, so that the smart living also can be accessible in our space station. Moving to next slide. This is the outer overview of our space station, which gives outer overview of our space station, which gives urban paradise. Urban paradise. Urban paradise, which is the first rays of the morning sun brightness your day, where the layer of the cooler air you after a long day, where stunning view takes you the different world, where space station makes you whole. This is nothing but the living rooms and where the interior designing and architecture was used for our living space, and the apartment interior. This is the apartment interior, and where we can have features of apartment interior. The living space is designed and inspired by the modern architecture, which of Japanese technology is used, and so that we can expect more quality and good furniture, as well as designs, architecture, etc. can be used in our space station, and so that innovative style also can be added in our space station. The future abundant glass is one of the future. French windows, balconies with spectacular view, touchpad switches, and vertified tiles flooring is some of the advantages of our station, in our space station. It is a specific view of living room, where we can leave our room with room peacefully, where no one disturbs us, with good environment, and with good quality of furniture, and with with excellent design is used. Your kitchen is not off the rack. The kitchen is the entire our kitchen is fixed in the rack, so that we can access it easily, and the perfect quality modular designing kitchens are used. Centralized LPG cooking gas connection, central cooking gas, breaking fast counter table, and a stainless steel and a drain board. Board wet area for washing and utensils, etc. are used. The kitchens are the most used for cooking, and so that everyone need it. Mm, this is moving on to another slide. It is the entire design about it is one board view, one glass view, which explains about the total environment of a swimming pool and bed, which we can relax every time, so that the entire view is excellent and super. Mm. The stylish, personable, and private. The bedroom, the comfort is most essential in our daily life, so that we prefer the most comfort and prestigious halls and prestigious products for relaxing and lighting, and generous designer, and using careful designs, and bedrooms and space station have been created keeping total relaxation and in mind. Features: remote control switches, TV points and telephone in the master bedrooms, and spectacular window often leads to individual houses. And this is, I'm moving to another side. We have the interior designing, which is used for bathrooms, and which is used for the specification is here. The spectacular view is available from B-Friends function. Moving to another side, from B-Friend functions, bathrooms have been successfully specified with the fixtures and fittings that today we are using. The present technology has been using here in our space station. High quality tiling, and marble surface, and luxury fittings, and some of the stunning extra have been included to the pamper your senses. The features of a master and suite: the false ceiling, and inward and fixed bathtub by bath line, and shower socket, bath bath accessories and stainless steel rails as standard fixtures. This is the one of the most advantage in our space station, which is has good view, and one of the most which is used for conducting events also. This is the most major advantage, that is Sky Villa. The Sky Villas is one of the top, which is at the topmost of the of our space station, which contains a very good view, and which can appears like we are small, as small, everything is small when compared to us. So that this Sky Villa gives us a good uh, good comparison between one company to another company. So in our space station we provide Sky Villas with good AC and luxury items. Moving to another slide, we have good swimming pool, which is for relaxing, and which we can relax, which we can feel recreation, which we can feel like that we are forgetting our work pressure, and we can move to the active work pressure. So we can refresh, and we can feel the water, coolness. And contemporary, and which is these are the some of the contemporary and normal natural bespoke, which is the interior designs which are used by our alien space station. And our space station is has interior packaging. Moving to another slide, we have interior packaging. A key to your home is ready to move in. With the interior package as it all, the designer touches, and the interior package, the interior design plan to execution, and false execution with designer lights, and wooden ropes and floorings and different types of walls and texture paintings etc. are can be seen in this view. So that we can see that the interior package, so that it is advantage for coordinating and executing the work progress level, leaves you to completely free. And this is and when we go for complete contemporary issues. And moving on to next slide, it gives same as it is, it's like a cook, we can eat, we can have our breakfast. Kitchen, this is one of the contemporary issue, which is main thing for every station. And it has a good real estate development, and it has a very good interior designing, and which has very attached to another room apartments, which is attached to another apartments. And compared to with coming to another images, moving to another images, it has good view of swimming pool, and it has a bedroom facility also. When we move to another bedroom facility, it has a single bedroom facility and a double bedroom facilities, and which is provided by our space station. And our space station is also providing a super luxury bathroom facility, and which gives us style. The bathroom, there are different types of these are the different types of bathrooms which are used in our space station. And these our space station Sky Villa view, which gives the swimming pool as well as the overview of the Sky Villa. The Sky Villa is the best view of our project, and the Sky Villa is plays a very good movement where we can live, where we can use good attraction, and it is like a Goa attraction, and which can view natural living. Natural option. Moving to natural option, which is also provides same as above images. It is also providing the same living room facilities, and as well as bathroom room facilities, etc. It also provides good infrastructure facilities, and good kitchen, and good living room, and good bedroom. Good bedrooms also provided. Based on good washroom facilities also provided. It is also same above image as above images. The Sky Villa is spokes everything about the project, and and bespoke option. The bespoke option is same as it is the living room and bedroom and bathrooms and above facilities and sky villas with kitchen etc. are provided by our space station. Space station. The space station brings us the urban township. So it gives a good the environment and good living facilities to everyone. A truly extraordinary living. To move to another side, a truly extraordinary living. Extraordinary. The heart on the heels of the apartment, the outside this feels bleeding. The modernism, the same as the modernism of our project is to be harmony of our body, mind, and soul. The space station offers a complete package of the sports including swimming pool, clubhouse, indoor games, basketballs, etc. and town for shooting range, air condition, gym and meditation hall, etc. are provided. These are all about the extracurricular activities which is provided in our space station. The space station is which has a beautiful overview, which has beautiful view. Beautiful view and it has a nightclub facilities and function hall facilities and we can have coffee restaurants nightclubs and make the atmosphere electrical and vibrant, giving you the entire within each of the case and experiment and intelligence of invisible technology. The experience of invisible technology is nothing but the technology which is not seen, which cannot be seen, that is touchscreen automation, touchscreen home automation, video door phone, biometric locking screen, 100% power backup, piped gas connections, and reverse osmosis system, and 5 years facilities management services. This is our excellent intelligence which are used by our space station. Advanced home automation highlights. This is one of the most important topic is advanced home automation, which is gives the different beauty and beauty of our space station. Um, interface is one of the we offer a variety of interface TV remotes, tablets and etc. are used and even your mobile phone or an iPad can put you into control. Mm. AV is the form the speaker points to the audio switches. iPad talks to media players. Media players advanced facilities in the space station make it easy to design a home theater or multi-room system, music masterpiece, etc. And moving to next one, climate. The climate is also one of the advantage to us because Hyderabad provides a good environment to us. Climate is the builds the constant energy, the control energy used from anywhere and learn how much power we are using to during the peak hours. And lightning. The lightning is the dimmers and switches easily replace the existing light switches or plugs into outlets. To offer the complete control of your lights and electronic equipment and without construction hassles and the energy saving come naturally. A touch of your finger brings you the screen, the sedately conveniencing and comfort. Home automation let us you do more. Imagine being able to pay your favorite DVD and your room lights control the TV, air conditions, etc. Can be used by the tapping on touch screen. Moving on to the second one, unlock your life with the latest technology. Enjoying the most advanced technology, lock screen replace all the worries of locking, and latest technology locks are used. And fire and gas alarm alerts. Did they turn off the gas? It is one of the major thing because that is one of the causes which causes damages to us. So it provides security and safety for all the things. And program used for the email notification agent. Email notification agent. The security for threat to the house notified you of broken windows, door swinging, and motion defected in any mode. Security. The security it also provides the security to all security to our visitors and main gate persons. Security is a major thing for all the human beings. And moving on, more home motion sensors. The home motion sensors which are used in hallway or bathrooms for your safely navigating to the dark. Mm. Convenience through home automation and groceries and gas and water bills water electrical bills and water and gas. You can also book and view the status of amenities including badminton courts, tennis courts, and Spanish courts, etc. The maid mode. We can reach the maid mode. We can reach the maid mode safely, so that we can get a message of a maid mode safely. And kids mode. Leave a message for the kids. Leave a message for the kids, for that they can come home safely. So that we can get a message that our kids are reached safely to our houses. This is also one of the advantages of our home station automation. Mm. Moving to this is one of the overview of our home station automation, which gives the fixtures and the fittings which are used. Each component apartment is set in with fittings and fixtures that are modern and sleek by the Inver and Serra and Simco equivalent. And the attention to detail, this is the highest priority equipments which are used in our space station. And this is the fixtures and apartments, which is the fixtures and the fittings are used in our space station. Moving to the flat enhancement options. The flat enhancement option. This is the first option. Full size UPVC windows and bigger main door. Private corridor along with a designated gate. The glass railing in balcony. The moving to second option. The full size UPVC window. Full size UPVC windows are provided, and performance glass railing in balcony, and bigger main door is provided, and the emulsion paints and digital switches and utility glass doors and false ceiling is provided. And moving to third option, the full size UPC windows compared to second UPC second option. The third option provides a full advantages and comfortability, which gives performance of glass railing in balcony. Bigger main door into 8x4 size is provided, and all the doors are in polishing doors. Utility glass doors are provided. Moving to the green and greenery and greenest. Moving to another topic, greenery and greenest. The green building saves money and energy, planet. A green building which is maintained by eco-friendly, and in our space station which has maintained more plants, more trees, and which also gives more fresh air and etc. to our building. And moving to our space station, which provides greenness to our entire surroundings of our space station. This IGB Green Homes project checklist. These are the site selection and planning, and which is local building regulation, soil erosion control, basic household amenities, or some of the site selection and planning. Moving to second one, water efficiency. The mandatory requirement like rainwater harvesting and water efficiency, plumbing fixtures, etc. are some of the water efficiencies used. And moving to this is the eco-friendliness between our society, between our space station. The energy efficiency. This is also one of the topic in greener and greenest, and which covers the CFC free equipment, minimum energy performance, on-site renewable energy, solar water heating, etc. These are provides some of the energy efficiency, material and resources. MR mandatory requirement, specification of households and households waste, organic waste management, and the reuse of salvage materials, etc. are some of the materials and resources used in our space station. And moving on to this the diagram, it explains about the electrical car charging points, energy efficiency, and energy water usage, healthy environment, which gives the good environment around the around the space station. Moving to IGBC Green Home project checklist, which have indoor and innovation and designing process. First one, indoor and environmental quality, tobacco smoke control, minimum daylighting, fresh air ventilation, and fresh enhanced daylighting. This etc. are the some of the indoor environmental quality and innovation design process. There are two innovation and design process. First one, innovation design process and IGP accredited professional. And moving to is which provides the indoor facilities like sports and which covers indoor and out and greenness between around the space station. Moving to IGBC Green Homes project checklist. This IGB Green Homes certification levels like certified between certificate like individual residential unit, multi-level residential unit recognition. These are the some of the good outstanding performance of our space station. And platinum pre-certification is one of the differentiation or a certificate which is used which is given by our for our space station. And this is the outer top view of our space station, which is beautiful and abundant and which have good enthusiastic feeling so that we can enjoy or relax or we can be friendly with our friends and we can enjoy and we can be which has awesome feeling. So moving to this clubhouse. A clubhouse is nothing but the extracurricular activities like party houses and functions, yoga, meditation hall, and cricket, AC rooms for guests, business centers are some of the exclusive features. And these are the mostly used for the and multi-purpose hall and multiplex hall etc. and shopping malls etc. are included in this clubhouse. The clubhouse and this is spa. This is this is spa and moving to the extra activities of clubhouse, which have a library and spa and yoga and meditation hall and AC gym. The AC gym is one of the attraction to our LS group and space station. Which is this is the outer view of our space station, which gives good view and between both top as well as outer, which we can enjoy the environment as well as the water feeling and as well as the good friendly nature. So we can recreate we can move, we can maintain coordination between each other by means of this swimming pool, outer swimming pool. And this outer swimming pool which contains the outer games like cricket, tennis court, kids fun floor, pool, kids play area, skating ring and jogging track etc. are the some of the indoor games and available. And this is the main special game which have a basketball facility also in like indoor game, and we can play enthusiastically indoor game. The table tennis and the shuttle courts and cricket, yoga, pool etc. can be the major for indoor games and outdoor and swimming pool is one of the major part of this indoor games. And moving to AC gym. Nowadays the gym is very commonly used, so it is more efficient and with AC we can use the gym. AC gyms are provided in our space station. Indoor swimming pool. Indoor swimming pool is one of the best advantage for us, so that no one will see and so that we can relax as we like. Moving to next slide. This is about the overview of our space station, which gives the tip point where which connects to outer ring road. So which gives a good view of our space station. It is the main advantage to our space station. Moving to another one, the Aliens Mall. The Aliens Mall is nothing but the Aliens Mall like banks, ATMs, and cinema hall and multiplex iTech City, etc. Something other outlets, etc. can be is a major airlines mall and which is multiplex theaters, etc. can be used. This is indoor. This is indoor tennis court and with swimming pool. So this is a major appearance which gives overview from top. From the top we can view as it is a swimming pool and it is a tennis court also. Mm. And moving to next slide, this provides a beach. This provides a swimming pool which looks like a beach, and every comforts and facility and every comforts are available in our space station. Moving to helipad. Helipad is one of the major advantage to our space station, where it has a good attraction and so many of our companies are related are mainly concentrating of helipad, where it will be finally constructed at 2022. We can see our helipad space station and fire safety measures and in Indian space station. Some of the fire safety and measures in Indian space station are refuge area, smoke area and detectors, sprinklers and helipad, gas safety and staircase, fire engines, integrated facility are some of the advantages. So that this is the engine, this is the bus engine, fire engines and heat and smoke detectors, so that it will detect the smoke in a certain place. So it will be safety, it gives safety to our to us. Traffic management system. This is one of the major important topic which we have to discuss deeply. So that this is one of the traffic viewed diagram, and chip inserted vehicle will automatically release the boom barriers, integrates with the surveillance system for the monitoring the car parkings, etc. This maintains eco-friendly, like which gives safety and which gives the which has 7 entry and 7 exit points. And moving to next slide, this is which contains the national highway, major rail road and Talapur Hood residential complex and alien space station. And moving, this is a sub-site which is 20 acres were under construction and 19.66 acres are for sub-site, sub-district, and this is the lake. Lake of the space station. External road network. The existing road surroundings the development. This is proposed by the 3-lane dual road and proposed junctions and proposed 2-lane dual road, which gives the most effective for future. And moving to the next slide, the 20 this is which covers the 20% south from outer ring road and 20% and 10% east from iTech City and 30% north from to Uday Talapur to the outer and 40% west to outer ring road. This is the best advantage to us. And the trip assessment. The trip assessment is nothing but providing the peaks where which time it has peaks hours summarized as shown, so that we can arrange it safely, arrange it as a trip distribution speaks the traffic generated by proposed development. So that the proposed 3-lane dual road. This is nothing but residential, commercial and retailer service apartments and visitors, etc. Can meet at the junction. So from ring road to Hude Talapur. So this is the trip distribution is a vehicle distribution traffic department. The area from a major destination to during some period of time, hours would be expected. And this is some of the winner of this three prestigious and winner of this three prestigious awards. Vehicle access, vehicular access. The proposed development is divided into both residential and commercial with the majority, where we can access the car parking, residential car parking and residential car park access, visitor car park access. And this as a driving parking destination can be easily can be easy, so that no searching can be done. So the changes in pollutant emissions due to PGI and are most closely related to changes in overall travel time. Efficiency and accessibility can be easily be done. So the traffic management is also best advantage to space station. The landscape concept. The landscape concept is one of the finest concept which you ever seen. In these are the images which you can see the conceptual of landscape designing statements. The overall concept is nothing but landscape concept. The commercial faculty is surrounded by the flexible area, flexible spaces, and the tower table consists of landscape concept. The conceptual landscape design statement. This is the overall concept and the images of our landscape concept. And this is moving to the landscape concept. The residential towers and the residential beach facilities. The some of the sports facilities etc. are provided in the, and this is the master plan. Master plan of a roof. Which gives which gives the overall blueprint of our space station, and which provide greenness and more. Moving to roof plan, we can provide, this is the roof plan where it locates at the topmost at the front of our space station. The master plan option 2, and this is the diagram, the sports and activities. This red diagram includes the main circulation and sub circulation, and link to lift the approach. The second diagram says about the roadways and security point, and this is the jogging track. Jogging track also is included. The level plan. This is one of the blueprint of our landscape concept, and this is landscape concept. This is the place where the 30 feet high and drop off point, where it directly reaches to our space station and drops and drop, and so that the entire ground floor will be covered. And moving to this the commercial and detailed plan of commercial automatic gate, water features etc. Some of the homized and honest concrete and black pebble etc. are used perspective of a main entrance design. This is a super and excellent main entrance design, and this is the perspective of second main entrance drop off, which gives the horizontal granite and black color and fin, which gives the beautiful environment to us, and perspective of main entrance drop off. These are the above top diagrams, which looks the same as above the top diagrams. So it is be most comfortable to this is the office, the legend. The second one is the swimming pool, deck and the bamboo garden, changing room etc. are provided in our space station. The water feature at the top of the level is a facilitation, and the ventilation box detail is also displayed. Perceptive and detailed plan. This is one of the beach location, which gives the overall the gardening, pocket gardening, landscape buffer, water feature, jogging course and parameter pathway, two lot viewing terrace, shallow water playing ground and skating area, and this is one of the major advantages of advantage. Moving to section 4, the detailed plan is viewing the pavilion, atmospheric swimming pool and construction are above mentioned etc. Some of the above mentioned are is the one of the advantage which have section 5 water terrace and perceptive 6 is some of the mentioned above detailed plan. The detailed plan is outdoor dining with shade and sports hub, outdoor adult finish clusters and water feature, timber deck and the playground and pocket garden etc. are provided. Pocket garden and playgrounds etc. are provided in our space station and off space station, which is this the trellis details. which is these are used by the steel bar, solid timber arrow, and steel bracelet and trails detail. This gives the most attraction to the landscape concept and of our space station. And the material plan which is used is all made up of all made up of Japan, so that the rubber mat and dark granite, honed finishing, and etc. can be have a good view. Mm, Good view. The This is one of the major landscape elements, which is the major landscape elements are used. So then is lighting, sculpture, furniture, and function rooms, and playgrounds, etc. and living and gardening, etc. are some of the landscape concepts used. The landscape plan. First one is golf area, planting terrace area, and maintaining entrance area, and bamboo corridor, and swimming pool, and alfresco dining area, and suspended lobby area. These are the areas provided in this around the space station. Around the space station, many wooden duck. And moving, this is all the blueprints about the landscape concept. And landscape concept structural advantage. The structural advantage is one of the main elements in a gigantic S-shaped structure. The geographical advantage is one of the major advantage for the structural of S. S is nothing but urban township, which means urban township, and S provides most from uncertain events, like earthquakes and floods, etc. Because because the space station is structurally designed as the per international norms. So the ventilation structure gives the uniform air, light, and space, everything ventilation from three sides. Raft foundation. The raft foundation is also used in the building in the S shape, so that there is a 6 feet building. The main the raft foundation is individual foundation that land to earth, so that the mass footing foundation where in the single mass and large area of earth. The type of foundation is increases the life of the building, where the foundation of the building is strong. The transferable slabs, the independent and distributed two beams the column to transfer the load to the ground. These are the some of the pillars, so that which differ from outer area to inner area. The inner area provides a good from the outer area is more polluted than when we compare to inner area, so that we have good structural location, like which is made by Japan technology, so that which is undercovered by wood, glass, which is undercovered by glass. And the S shape is nothing but which brings togetherness from one another to another. This is the main advantage and of our space township. The space station, the moving to another side, the space station township, the tower's identity, 20. There are 14 space stations. First one is the diving range and putting green, and second one is lake, and fourth one is pistol shooting range, and cricket practice nets, and jogging bicycle tracks, natural lake view. These are the some of the space stations which we have. And moving on to these are the names of our space station. Names of the space station. This is the space station. This is the place where we have good view of our space stations. The aliens group, which gives clear preference about that boosters of apartments, like four apartments, so that it is the main view. The luxury of choosing of space stations, and this is one of the blueprint of for the lake and this all the blueprints of our space station. This is the blueprint of space station. This provides a 2 and 2 plus 1 and 3 BHK flats, so that it is a big advantage for us. These are the all the blueprints of space station, which gives the one of the advantage of our living rooms and bedrooms and this is real estate. This is one of the real estate. The alien space station is provides one of the real estate opportunity where we can access where we can buy the house for lease, and so that this provides these are the advantages or benefits provided by our station. One is location, water and air, and loans and clear land facility, water and access management service. This is one of the view of our space station design, and this is a project specification, foundation, superstructure, walls, doors, and the floorings and wall finishing, etc. are used. Based on German technology. We are using all kinds of equipments for our construction of real estate. The windows and the doors and toilets, sanitary and bathing fittings and kitchens, everything are being used based on German technology. To the project specification. This is one of the project specification or recreation facility. Recreation facility, utility, safety, additional features like home automation and cricket nets and clubhouses and etc. are discussed above. This is the overview design of our space station, and which can coordination, which brings coordination between one another, so that we can actively participate in the actively participate. Mm, the handovers. This is one of the best moment where we can celebrate each other handovers, so that we the feedbacks, the feedback is nothing but which gives the good impression to our aliens group of our alien space station, which gives the development and the best compliments of our testimonials are displayed here, so that it is very good to access in the alien space station. The flat pictures, the sky villa, and the this is the another picture of sky villa and flat pictures. These are the some of the pictures like duplex house and flat pictures and the 2 HBK and 3 BHK flats are also. These are the images and for the and flat pictures like balconies with spectacular view, and designer kitchen and great ventilation and customized interior, splendid bath and convenience at your doorstep, except exclusive corner, etc. Are provided in our alien space station. And this is one of the major topic and important topic, so that we have to know the everything which in detail, so that the basement of the alien space station is 1,151,000 square meters, which is equivalent to 35 FIFA World Cup football fields. Mm, and this is the length of the corridor is interconnected with 45 kilometers, and the length of the cables used in the Alien space station is 2,600 kilometers, so that which is distance between Hyderabad and Dubai. The number of the 5 times more than the number of doors of Alien space station is 5 times more than the White House. There is consume more than 95,000 cubic meters of concrete, which is more than used, which is more used, and which is more used for the tallest tower of Khalifa, Burj Khalifa, and the, the the number of windows is 1 lakh square kilometers, and the amount of steel being used in alien space station is 4 times more than that used for the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. This is the career team and the services and the supporting services and the finance and etc. are used in our space station. The PMC team services, facility management and housekeeping, common area, 24-hour security, etc. are some of used. The client services also provided. This is the encourage that the promise and delivery impeachable weeks of a part, so that this gives us the very thought to lay a foundation in the ALS group, so that so that which gives the beautiful view that is that is nothing but architecture or global which is global relationship between anything the international consultants like Spark thanks for giving this opportunity so that I can do that the video presentation is best according to my knowledge. In about topic, I explained about the Aliens Township. Now I am going to explain about the newsletter of Aliens Township. The newsletter is nothing but the feedback. The construction updates is a PU09, and the latest the milestones achieved is the plant finished at workstation of station 6 is completed, and station 11 80% completed, and station 12 is 70% completed, and research slab also is completed. And moving to station 7 and 8, upper basement level and station upper basement level is completed. Station 9 and 10 draft foundation is completed. The Hyderabad, this is one of the luxury and premium basements apartments, which is rupees 4,950 to 5,500 per square feet. The 25 sales per month. Mm. A letter to our faithful customers. This is one of the most this is one of the most prestigious this is one of the prestigious thing that is which is given by Hari Challa Garu. The Hari Challa Garu is one of the construction member of Aliens Group, who gave a good feedback to our faithful to our customers. So our customers felt that we have good delightful, so that a letter to our faithful customers is nothing, the famous person who is known as Hari Challa Garu. He gave a good feedback and gave good response to our customers. This is one of the prestigious prestigious thing. the proper the property scenario in Hyderabad. This is one of the major This is one of the metro cities in India. So that the most of the properties and cities of Hyderabad are well developed. So that we can access and we can be a part of real estate in Aliens Township. All the cities of urban township, which is gathering for good atmosphere and good beauty of buildings and good equipments which are used in Aliens space station. And this was the Hyderabad. Hyderabad remains one of the affordable residential market for buyers, where in 2013 to 14 the demand of the land is very low, and where compared to 2017 and 18 the demand was most drastically increases, and this the premium luxury is increased to 5%, and west is increases from 2%, and the high end is increases for 5%. In center it increases for 5%, and mid and west it increases 4%. And this is the office. This is the office of. This office demand witness growth in this is 12% office demand witness growth in 2018, and moving to this the what are the drives in Hyderabad real estate is well planned existing and upcoming infrastructure, which it is nowadays all the states are developed, so that we have to provide good infrastructure to our surroundings and to our members. So the presence of quality educational institutions. Every person has been educated nowadays, so we have to provide a good quality educational institutions to our present, so that we are access to IBM, education institutions. And number 3, proactivate government policies. Already the government policies are under norms and regulations. The availability and skilled talented. Nowadays, the availability of skilled talented is one of the major part in is a major part. So every education institution is mostly focusing on the skills and development programs. And the established technology hubs. The many established technology hubs were established, so that we can use the technology very frequently and very easily. Moving to next one, price trends. The price trends is based on the price trends. the Gachibowli, High-Tech City, and Madhapur and Nalgonda and Talapur. But when compared to 2005, the 2005 it has gradually increases to 2000 increases from 2005 to 2015 to 2019. It is one of the greatest achievement to our station. The growth of the organization was increasing. The preview of the station 6 flat. The preview of the station is looks like this, so that the preview is both open end and closed end. The status, the structural works have been completed. Flat finishing ongoing is in floors is 4 to 10. The flat finishing due to completion to Q2 2019. Mm. This is our 30 flats 30 flats system, and which immense the flats, and maximum glass usage is done, and this is the overview of our flats, each flat, and this is our interior designs used in our flats. Um, this is the Space Township recap 2018. Recap 2018, that is which is the technology and technology used in our recap in 2018. Nowadays we are using, in 2019 we are using good technologies based on 2018. These are one of the memorable moments which have been used, which have been collected, memorable moments which have been mm, picked by our alliance groups by 2018. 2018. The new development happy news. The new development is the radial road is completed. This is one of the happiest news. So that the outer ring road is under construction, and it is supposed to be completed in 2019. In 2019, another road is also flyover is going to be completed. These are the some of the new development programs in future. A place where everything is within reach. This is already explained. So that it is near to outer ring road and Gachibowli, High-Tech City, and space station near Shamshadabad, and offices, hospitals and schools and pharmacy, restaurants, malls, etc. are nearby to our space station, so that we can easily move and go to the small space station. The construction updates. These are the construction updates based on 5th station to 14th station. So the in fifth station, the workstation is programmed smoothly and smoothly completed. This red dot indicates ongoing, and the blue dot is includes the concrete work done. The concrete work done. The station 6 is the one of the completed. Is one of the station 6 is flat is completed, and moving to station 7. The construction of a program of red is ongoing process, and blue is on concrete with the concrete work done. The 30 floor concept, and the station 8, the construction of 8 is rapidly progressing, and the upper basement will be completed, and the down floor flats was ongoing process. The station 11 was the down basement was completed, and upper basement was under construction, and based on 12, the middle of the station was is under construction. The middle of the station of the malls was under construction, and the 23rd floor, and from 16th floor to 23rd floor it was under construction, and concrete work. The blue represents the concrete work done. This is one of the clubhouse. Clubhouse also upper basement construction is now completed. That is a ramp structure have been constructed that leads to the terrace. This is what drives us daily. 4,000 plus happy families. This is one of the greatest achievement and feedback given by our customers. This is first look feedback is thanks to Alliance MD Mr. Hari Challa Garu for the speed up of the construction work. This is one of the feedback given by the Balraju and Station 8 flat, which is these are the some of the feedbacks given by our aliens family. So this gives more enthusiasm to build the more growth in our organization, and adding more happy families. This is one of the achievements due to the good feedback and response. So there is many adding of many more families have been done. This is the one of the achievement. Moving to flat upgrades. This is the one of the flat upgrades, that is the designs, the ones, and the corridor gate and the smoke glass buildings, and double height car parking, utility window, child safety, grill, etc. Some of the usages are some of the interior design used, and interior packages. The interior packages like living rooms and living rooms, bedrooms, and dining rooms based on the equipments. The list of hardware and materials have been fixed. The based on the needs. The balconies and vertical gardens, appliance, etc. have been a major part of that the contemporary and nature spoken. This is already spoken by which is nothing but a living room, bedroom, and kitchen, etc. Have been under control of the contemporary, natural, and bespoke. The brands, this is one of the greatest achievements. These are the some of the brands which are used: Green Palais, Godrej, and some of the brands are used in our space station township packages. This is the some of the packages that is nothing but the shape, basic line, and shapes and norms, and some of the packages issued based on the contemporary and natural and bespoke. These packages decides based on the requirements. The requirements: furniture material, and finishes, design, texture, color. Example, some of the example. It's based on the pricing. The basic is rupees 800 per square feet, and which increases the pricing of 1,200 to 1,500 square feet in 2019. This is customer loyalty program. Loyalty is nothing but belief or belongingness, which gives us the maximum customer satisfaction, which gives a delightful to our township. This loyalty program gives us the fast packaging, and the first loyalty point is rupees 1,000. So then moves on and it increases from one point to another point. One point to another point. From one point to another point, it will be the loyalty will be increases. The rewards. Rewards is nothing but a flat enhancement, the flats enhancement, full size UPVC window, bigger main doors, or etc. Some of the flats and enhancement is used in our spaceship, and home automation. Home automation is nothing but the brand biometric lock, and fourth generation home automation is used. And the interior is one of the best advantage, and which is used which is nothing but design or vertical garden, home appliance, and glass, which is entirely used by foreigners are developing this entire interior designing. And the shopping and traveling, e-commerce gift cards, which are used for nowadays fashion, and shopping vouchers, execute holiday packages. These are the some of the home package. In our team, 1,200 plus team dedicated to deliver your home. This is one of the team dedication for the team dedication, which is one of the which brings to the increasement of IITs and IIMs for the key leadership position of the organization. This brings to that the commercial and CRM sales, and the marketing, HR, and other electoral functions. This is 252 sites engineering and 600 skills workers were working under our under the Aliens Group township. The composition of different departments is illustrated below. The construction 250 employees and 600 skilled workers are used. Customer relation and banking 50 employees are used. And the sales and marketing, 120 employees were working under the sales and marketing. This is one of the achievement. Architecture, for architect, it is one of the 30 employees were working, so that the architect of aliens is very good and beautiful. And interior designing, 35 employees were working for interior designing. So the interior designing and the outlets and the blueprint of the township is very good. And the procurement, 60 employees were used, were under control of and this is one of the social media platforms, where social media is nothing but where we can exchange our information from one another to another, so that we can gain knowledge. This is these are the one of the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter.com, YouTube.com is are the some of the alien groups are following are using. Are using nothing but alien space station dot township, which is one of the .com is used in Facebook. These are the some of the social media space station social media, and Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. are used. Mm, Gallery, these are the galleries, or images which is gives out the the point out the development and technology which is uh, done in 2018. These are the some of the office works, and this is the some of the functional movements which are being done in our aliens group. The Until it is done. This is all the overview of our aliens group. Thank you.